go nowhere. Let's create. First, let me focus on the tomato. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to cut it using a bread knife in a fashion that it gave me some chunks that can cook properly. Doesn't have to be perfect, no style. You just cutting it in the proper amount of chunks. So I have a small pan. This one is a little bit deep because you're going to be dealing with some liquid. And the first thing I have this medium high. Let me put some extra virgin olive oil. It's about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Heat it up. And then with the tomatoes, what I'm going to do, I have some white wine vinegar. Going to put a little bit, you know, the city cap, about 3 cups. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Some dry oregano. Squeeze that baby here, huh? Little bit of ground black pepper, just a little bit. You don't have to go crazy, right? Just a little bit. You can get a garlic teeth, small one, maybe 2. Mince it on top. Ooh, smells good. Let's do 2. Mix it well. And what you're going to do, you're going to add this baby here. And you're going to let it cook until they soften, okay? You're not making a sauce, you just soften the tomatoes. Caramelizing them, you know. And this stuff smells delicious, by the way. I know it is starting to caramelize, so I'm going to put some smoked paprika. Just a little bit, just sprinkle it. Keeping that smoky flavor at the same time, nice color, nice caramelization. See how darkish and caramelized? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off.